Well, it's December 4th. Brilliant sunny day out. What I thought I'd do today is we're going to go into cubby number 4 of our Advent box. So this Advent box has got 24 cubbies in it. We've already done 3 of those. The first one was a compass that we pulled out of this hole here. Second day we pulled out some lighters. Yesterday we pulled out a UCO stormproof matchbox. Let's see what we've got today in cubby number 4. And what we have is an emergency thermal blanket. I love these emergency thermal blankets. They're great to keep in your kits wherever they are, whether it's your car safety kit, whether it's a first aid kit, maybe it's your backpack that you use when you go day hiking, maybe it's your camping backpack. These things are wonderful. You never know when you're going to need some extra warmth. If you get injured when you're out on the trail or out in the woods, your body tends to lose body heat very, very quickly. You can go into hypothermia, and when you're injured, it can happen much quicker. If you have an emergency blanket like this, it can help you overcome that trend toward hypothermia. It can help you overcome the shock that you might have from an initial injury. Maybe it's a broken wrist or a broken ankle or something like that, and you need care, and while you're waiting for that care, you can stay warm. These blankets are really great. Let's go see what this looks like when you take it out of the package. So these things are not very substantial. They're not going to be particularly big, and they're not going to last a long time, but they are going to be something that you can use. They're extremely thin, and you can see they fold out really nicely. And you take these things and undo them. So I thought I'd get a little bit away from the camera so you could see this. It opens up fairly large, as you can see. This thing can be used several different ways. You can lay on the ground with it and put it over you. You have to be careful. It's very windy conditions today, so these things are extremely lightweight. They're very, very thin. They're made out of a reflective material, which will reflect not only sunlight, but would also reflect your body heat. So one thing I might do is I would face into the wind, and then put this thing behind me, like this. I might bring it around my neck, thus. Whoop. Then what I can do is I can squat down, sort of pull this thing around my legs and my knees, and I can hunker in this. And I'd be honest with you, I've only been in this a few seconds. I can already feel a little bit of warmth from it. You can pull this tighter around you if you wish. And the tighter you pull it around you, the more it's going to reflect your body heat, the more it's going to capture your body heat to keep it in. It's probably making a lot of noise with the microphones, but these things are really fantastic. They reflect sunlight, but they also reflect back your body heat. Doesn't matter which side you use. You can use either side you want to, and they will help to keep you warmer than you might be otherwise. If nothing else, they will prevent the wind from penetrating and blowing on you. You can put it over your head. You can sort of duck under it if you wish. These things are just fantastic. And when you're done with them, you just throw them away. They're one-use kind of items. I would get a package of these. When I go to Amazon, I buy them like 10 at a time. I make sure and keep them. I keep these in my car. I keep them in my first aid kits. I keep 1 or 2 in each of my backpacks, because you never know when you're hiking and you're with somebody, they might need something as well. I try to anticipate when I might need these things and when I might be able to use them. They're just great little things to keep with you, and they're fantastic stocking stuffers because they're small and they're inexpensive. So you can buy a whole pack of these and put 1 or 2 of them in each kid's stocking. You can put 1 in each kid's backpack. These are great for kids to keep in their backpack, even if they're going to school. What if something happens, the heat goes out, or something happens, there's a wreck on the bus on the way home, and they need to wrap up in something to stay warm? These would be great to do that with. So, emergency blankets, get them on Amazon. I've got the link down below if you want to get those. Remember, I am an Amazon affiliate, so each of these items I'm showing, most of them are going to be available on Amazon, and I'll put the link on how you can get those down below. I don't make a lot of money off of Amazon. I think overall, I've been an Amazon affiliate for about a year, and I've made probably less than $50. I'm not making money off of Amazon, but it is real convenient. You don't have to go hunt for them. You just click on the link down below in the description, and you will be able to go directly there, and you can buy some of these for for stocking stuffers. Again, great stocking stuffers. I would suggest you get some. In the meantime, remember what we always say. Stay strong, stay prepared, and have a blessed day. And make sure and have an absolutely Merry Christmas this year.